Hello, Chris here from Bridgwood Home Improvements Inc. What a difference a few days makes. I noticed on the news last night, Check's News, I made the news, skateboarding around the new Bonnerworth pump track.
Skateboarders can also enjoy an expanded skate park. There are already plans for an outdoor skating rink to be added next winter. Mayor Jeff Leal says the redevelopment is a major attraction for the city.
So in this video, I'm doing some property maintenance. So I have an empty trailer and a tree I'm going to cut down. So you can guess, how much did the tree weigh and how long did it take me to do the whole process? Drum roll, please. Net weight 340 kilos.